Ready to jump into 3D printing but overwhelmed by options promising the world while delivering frustration? The 3D printer landscape in 2026 ranges from incredible machines that actually work out of the box to nightmarish money pits requiring constant tinkering. Whether you're a hobbyist wanting reliable printing, a maker creating functional parts, or someone who values time over endless calibration, choosing wrong means wasted money and abandoned printers collecting dust. Let me show you exactly what I'd buy and what to absolutely avoid. Number 6. Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. Don't buy, despite good reviews. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro ranks last despite positive Amazon reviews proving that star ratings don't tell the whole reliability story. This fast printer demonstrates that impressive specifications don't guarantee good ownership experiences. What makes the Neptune 4 Pro problematic is the frequent quality control issues with defective components arriving despite factory testing claims. The unreliable auto-leveling system often fails, requiring manual intervention, defeating the automated convenience that justifies premium pricing. The proprietary slicer software with limited profiles creates frustrating workflow compared to universal slicers supporting multiple printer brands. The weak customer support with slow response times leaves buyers struggling to resolve issues without manufacturer assistance. The plastic extruder components wear quickly, requiring replacement parts that aren't always available, creating downtime and frustration. Skip this. Buy Bambu Lab or Creality alternatives with proven reliability and better support ecosystems. Number 5. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. Budget option that actually works. Coming in at number 5 is the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, proving that budget 3D printers can deliver decent results when expectations are realistic. This affordable machine shows that not everyone needs flagship features for successful printing. What makes the Ender 3 V3 SE acceptable is the proven Ender 3 platform refined through years of iterations fixing common issues. The reasonable $200 pricing makes 3D printing accessible to beginners wanting to learn without massive financial commitment. The auto-leveling system works reliably, unlike previous Ender models requiring tedious manual bed leveling before every print. The decent print quality produces usable functional parts and satisfactory aesthetic prints when properly calibrated and maintained. The massive community support provides endless troubleshooting resources, upgrade guides, and modification inspiration for tinkerers. This is acceptable entry point, but understand you'll spend time learning, calibrating, and occasionally troubleshooting, unlike premium options. Number 4. AnkerMake M5C, solid mid-range choice. The AnkerMake M5C takes 4th position as reliable mid-range option from trusted consumer electronics brand. This capable printer shows that established companies bring valuable manufacturing expertise to 3D printing. What sets the M5C apart is the excellent build quality with solid construction and quality components that budget printers lack. The reliable performance with consistent results eliminates the constant troubleshooting that plagues cheaper alternatives. The integrated camera allows remote monitoring through smartphone app, providing peace of mind during long prints. The fast printing speeds with maintained quality provides time savings compared to slower budget alternatives. The good customer support from Anker provides confidence that issues will be resolved, unlike obscure brands with non-existent service. The reasonable $400 pricing delivers quality and reliability, making this smart choice for people wanting dependable printing. This is excellent choice for people wanting reliability without flagship pricing or features they won't use. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini, compact powerhouse. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini secures 3rd spot, proving that small printers can deliver flagship features and reliability. This compact machine demonstrates that print volume isn't everything when quality and convenience matter. What makes the A1 Mini exceptional is the tiny footprint fitting on small desks or shelves where full-size printers won't physically fit. The excellent print quality rivals larger printers producing detailed prints with smooth surfaces and accurate dimensions. The automatic calibration and maintenance features eliminate tedious manual procedures that consume time and frustration. The multicolor capability with AMS Light accessory enables color prints previously requiring expensive flagship printers. The quiet operation allows printing in living spaces without the loud mechanical noise that banishes other printers to garages. The $300 pricing makes Bambu Lab quality accessible, while the compact size appeals to apartment dwellers. This is perfect for people prioritizing quality and convenience over maximum build volume and print size. Number 2. Creality K1 Max Speed Demon. Taking runner-up position is the Creality K1 Max, proving that fast Core XY printers have become affordable and reliable. This speed-focused machine shows that rapid printing doesn't require five-figure industrial equipment anymore. What makes the K1 Max special is the incredible print speeds up to 600 mm, producing parts in fractions of time traditional printers require. The large 300 mm build volume accommodates bigger projects that compact printers cannot handle physically. The enclosed chamber with active heating provides temperature control, enabling successful prints with challenging materials like ABS. The auto-leveling and input shaping features work reliably, providing automated calibration that saves setup time. The Core XY motion system delivers speed and quality simultaneously, unlike bedslinger designs compromising one for the other. The competitive $700 pricing makes high-speed large-format printing accessible to serious hobbyists and small businesses. This is excellent choice for people needing large build volume and fast speeds for production or big projects. Number 1. Bambu Lab P1S, the game changer. Buy this. Finally, here it is. The 3D printer I'd actually buy that just works reliably without endless tinkering. The Bambu Lab P1S. This isn't just another 3D printer. It's the machine that finally delivers on the promise of reliable plug-and-play printing that actually works out of the box, proving that 3D printing has matured beyond the constant troubleshooting hobby, becoming a legitimate tool that produces consistent results, making this the printer that converts skeptics and satisfies experienced users. The Bambu Lab P1S features enclosed chamber with active temperature control, enabling reliable printing with engineering materials like ABS and ASA. What makes this extraordinary is the phenomenal reliability with minimal failed prints once you learn basic settings and material handling. The automatic bed leveling, vibration compensation, and flow calibration work flawlessly, eliminating the manual procedures consuming hours. The multi-material capability with AMS enables automatic filament changes for multicolor prints and support materials. The fast print speeds with Core XY motion system saves time while maintaining excellent quality and surface finish. The quiet operation allows running prints overnight in living spaces without disturbing sleep or housemates.